This tutorial is how to make your front page a static page in WordPress. So in WordPress, by default, when you install your site, you come to find that your most recent posts will show on the front page. And say you actually have more of a site that you want a different page on the front and then maybe a blog on the inner, just like kind of like this instead, but on this front page you want something else. Maybe you want to put funnels there to products or something about you, and it's not all about just having a blog. So in this case you want to set your front page as a static page, and so you need to go to the back end of your website, and what you're going to have to do is tell WordPress that you want to set your front page different from your most recent posts. So you're going to have to do two things. Both of those things are creating two different pages. And one is for the blog, for all your posts to populate, and one is going to be for your home page. So we're going to go ahead and create those pages. So first we're going to go to the blog. What I want to also mention is that in this tutorial I'm not going to go into the depth, into depth of theming, but I did want to go over the fact that if you are actually already designing a theme or already have installed a theme that has templates for your blog or for your front page or any type of page, you can actually say your blog template is going to be different. You can go down here to page attributes and this area called template, and you can select your template. In case of the default theme for WordPress, there are actually only two. This is the default template and then the one column no sidebar. So just to let you know that you have that option while you're actually setting your front page or your blog or whatever page you're going to have to set for your front page, that if you have a template for your theme, that you can set it to that. So we're going to go ahead and publish the blog page. We're not going to put anything in here because we really don't need to. This is just going to be a default page that all the most recent posts will publish on. And then the next one would be for your home page. Some people don't like to name it home, some people do. So in this case we're going to put the title home, and then I've already put in the text, this is the new home page, enjoy it. So you can go ahead and publish that one as well. And then once you've done that, now that you have these two pages, you have to tell WordPress which page goes to what. So like I said, the current front page is put as your most recent post. So we need to go down to your settings and to the reading section. So in this one, what it tells you is your front page displays as, and by default, your latest post. However, we've made some static pages, so we want to use your home page for your front, and then we also want to do for your post page your blog. You can also designate how many posts you want to show in your blog on the page, and also in your syndication, and if you're doing full text or summary, and your character encoding for your site and feeds. Alright, so we're going to save changes. So if we go back to the front of the site and refresh it, we'll see that it says home. This is the new home page. Enjoy it. So we've made the front page a static page in WordPress, and that will conclude our tutorial.